validation here. So in this case, what I'm going to do is to do data validation. The idea is to look at our staff. So basically, we only have these guys as our staff, right? So we can't have people entering like Brenda or entering names like Sam, who's not here. So in order for us to do that, first select the column staff. Okay, so I'll select all of the staff here. Go to data, click on the tick and the no entry sign. So you see like a cross and no entry sign. So sometimes you may see it small. Okay, press that. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you'll see data validation. It's small. It's a tiny one with a tick and a no entry sign. Press that. Then select a list. Okay, and where it says source, move this to the table here. Yes, good. What should we do here? What's really important, guys? Six packs. Yes, absolutes. Why should we use absolutes here? Yeah, otherwise you're going to get NA, blah, 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 and you're panicking. So remember, because we always refer to here, that's good. Input message, enter a name. Okay, so we make it very friendly for the user. So I like to keep the title short. Please enter a staff's name. Okay, next error alert. Okay, oops, are you a sorry, my bad. Oops, sorry, we can't find the staff. Or example, like a proper error message, or you could say invalid staff name, right? I press OK. Now, a lot of you guys go, oh my God, is it working or not? We can test it out. Very simple. Let's replace Tua with Pradesh. Boom, invalid staff name. Notice the error message? Yeah, make sure that your error message says something that's meaningful, not like, hey guys, 6 7 something. Sorry? Did you put in the error messages?